So today is Wednesday, January 27, 2021. This is our math lesson. Today we're just reviewing adding 10 more and subtracting 10 less. Okay, so we're going to review adding 10 more and subtracting 10 less. So today, okay, I want us to really look at our hundreds chart. Okay? So when we're taking away 10 more or 10 less, okay, we're really looking at our hundreds chart. So if I wanted to know what was 10 less than 26, but also 10 more than 26, I could look at my hundreds chart. Now, if I find the number 26 here, if I go up the hundreds chart, I'm going to take away 10. If I'm going to go down, I'm going to add 10. So 10 less than 26 should be 16, and 10 more than 26 should be 36. But we can also review this by practicing our strategies. So remember, if you did this simple 2 minus 1, this was your tens. 2 minus 1 is 1, so that is correct. Then you could do this one here. 6 minus 0 is your ones. 6 minus 0 is 6, so that is correct. Another way to look at it with the plus 10 is this, or the way to look at it for plus 10 is the same thing. You add the 2 and the 1 to get 3, so that is correct. And you add the 6 and the 0 to get 6, so that is correct. Quick little review. Now, I would like everyone to write down these two problems, and I would like you to solve them. So the first problem is $51 plus 10 equals unknown. And the second problem is 84 plus 10 equals unknown. Not related. These two problems aren't related. But I want to know what 54 plus 10 is and 84 plus 10 is. Write those down and solve those problems. Write those down and solve those problems if you need to. Grab your hundreds chart. Circle where your numbers are. Grab your hundreds chart. Circle where your numbers are. I'll give everyone some time. Okay. Put your hands on your head when you have finished both. Use that hundreds chart if you're confused. Don't forget our strategies. These are your tens. These are your ones. Draw your tens and ones chart. Helps you out, trust me. The first two numbers are the tens. The second two numbers are your ones. add those together to figure out your number. Put your hands on your head when you're finished. All right, awesome. Who could tell me what show me your work in 3, 2, 1, or show me your answers actually, because there isn't a ton of work. Remember, this is mental math. Okay, awesome. Awesome. Good. Alrighty. Who could raise their hand and tell me what is 51 plus 10? What is 51 plus 10? George, what's 51 plus 10?
61.
61, right. 5 plus 1 is 6. 1 plus 0 is 1. 61. If I found 51 on my board, right here, I found 51. Going down is adding a 10. There is 61. That is how I double checked my work. Awesome. Who could tell me what is 84 plus 10? What is 84 plus 10? Easy.
It equals 94.
94, right. 8 plus 1 is 9. 4 plus 0 is 4. Right. If I drew out a hundreds chart, okay, looks like a tic-tac-toe board, doesn't it? And I put 51 in here, okay, and I drew out a tic-tac-toe board over here, and I put 84 here. This box down here is 10 more. This box up here is 10 less. M is for more, L is for less. This box here is 10 more. This box here is 10 less. Just like on, so here's 84. Okay. I drew a tic-tac-toe board over the number 84. 84 is my number. 10 more we saw was 94. If 10 more is 94 and 84 is our number, what would 10 less be? What would 10 less be? What's 10 less?
7, 4.
Right, Journey, right. 74. 10 less is 74. Okay? 7, 8, 9. You're adding the tens. Okay? We're going to talk about one more, one less in a couple weeks, but 74, 84, 94. If I was counting by tens, that's 10 less, 10 more. This way, going this way, I'll introduce it to you real quick, is only one more and one less. So that would just be if you're counting, this is counting by ones going this way, and this is counting by tens. Okay? Counting by ones, counting by tens. Now we figured out 10 more than 51, which is 61. But what's 10 less than 51? What's 10 less than 51? Darren, what's 10 less than 51?
41.
41, right. That is 1 10 less. 41, 51, 61, 71, 81. Right. Good job. 41, 51, 61, 74, 84, 94. Awesome. All right, let's try another one. Kind of like that. Or another two, I should say. because I'm going to make you do 2. Okay, I want you to draw a tic-tac-toe board. You know a tic-tac-toe board, X's and O's. Okay.
And right now, I'm doing tic-tac-toe,
But we're not going to play tic-tac-toe. We're going to solve numbers with tic-tac-toe. All right. First number is 38. I want you to tell me 10 less and 10 more. Second number is 20. I want you to tell me 10 less and 10 more. When you finish, give me your best squishy face. So 38, you're telling me 10 more, 10 less. Don't forget to use your hundreds chart. Think about what it means. You're counting by tens. So what is the tens place before 38? What is the tens place after 38? What is the tens place before 20? What is the tens place after 20? If you're skip counting by tens, think about it that way.
Miss Cuba?
Yes.
I got on 9-5 and I don't even know what we're doing.
You're finding 10 less and 10 more, just like we did the example before. So this is the number. You're finding 10 less of this number and finding 10 more of this number. We just did 2 examples.
So, no. He said there's a trash bag.
Give me your best squishy face when you finish. This is tricky stuff. Don't forget, when we're doing 10 more, 10 less, we're only changing the tens place. This is the only place for 10 more, 10 less that's going to change. The tens place is going to change. The ones place is going to stay the same. So you know that number is going to stay the same. Same thing here. The tens place is going to change. The ones place is going to stay the same. So it's only the tens place that you are changing. You're taking away the 110 from 30 and you're adding 110 to 30. That's another way to think about it. Question.
I don't know which one, which box is more and which box is less.
Less is above, more is below. Just like on a hundreds chart. Going up is going to be less. Going down is going to be more. So that's why I put 10L for, so 10L equals 10 less. 10M equals 10 more. That's why I do it that way. L stands for less and M stands for more. And you can draw that on yours too, it might help. So it's just like if you drew it on a hundreds chart. You drew the tic-tac-toe board on a hundreds chart. Okay, this is the only number I am changing. So, who could tell me what is 10 less than 38? What is 10 less? This one right here. What is 10 less than 38? Gauge. Go for it, dude.
28.
28, right. I'm going down 110 from 30, which is 28. Right. 38, so 28 is 10 less than 38. Who could raise their hand and tell me what 10 more than 38 is? What is 10 more than 38? Darren.
It's down. It's 48.
It's 48, right? It's down. It's 48. 10 more than 38 is down. It is 48 because 10 more than 30 is 40. So we're in the 40s now. Same thing. If I looked on my chart, I found 38. 10 less than 38 is 28. 10 more is 48, is 48. If I found 38 on my chart, 10 less is 28. 10 more is 48. Now, I would like everyone to show me your work for this one. Show me your work. Hold it up for me. Of 10 less than 20 and 10 more than 20. There we go. There we go. Good. Okay, so you see, who could tell me what is 10 less than 20? Who could tell me what is 10 less than 20? What is 10 Good. Carson, what is 10 less than 20? So 10 less than 20 is 10, right? Because 110 before 20, taking 10 from 20 is 10. Adding 10 to 20 is what? What's 10 more than 20? What's 10 more than 20? Easy?
30.
30, right. 10 more than 20 is 30. If I found 20 on my board, 10 less is 10, 10 more is 30. 10 less is 10, 10 more is 30. Okay? Let's do one more together. Okay? So that's another strategy to use, okay? I would like you all to solve I think I already did that one. Let's do 70. 75. 75 plus 10. 12 minus 10. Now, you can use our strategy where we add the 10s together. Oops. Where we add the 10s together. There we go. And we add the 1s together. Or you could draw out your tic-tac-toe board. And you could put 10, you know this is 10 less. And find 10 less than 12. Okay, remember we talked about the 2 would stay the same. Only the 10's place will change. Okay? So you could use either strategy, either one. Both work. In second grade, you'll see more of the tic-tac-toe board. So 75 plus 10 equals unknown, and 12 minus 10 equals unknown. If you need to, find them on your hundreds chart. Find 75. Okay. Find 75. Look down one box. What is down one box from 75? Then look at 12. Okay, 12 you're taking away, so you're going to go up the chart. What is one box above 12? Okay. Ways to double check. Figure out your work, you know. All right, show me your answers in 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Awesome sauce. Jack, that's okay. Keep working while I go over them with the class, okay? No worries.
I'm not finished
Yep.
yet.
Keep working while we're going over with the class. No worries.
I'm not finished, Miss Cooper.
Okay, remember, this is mental math, so we shouldn't be drawing a strategy. We should just be thinking in our heads, what is 10 more than 75? What is 10 more than 70 if 5 stays the same? Okay, who could tell me what is 75 plus 10? What is 75 plus 10? Journey, what is 75 plus 10?
85.
85, right. The answer is 85. If I did this strategy, 7 plus 1 is 8. That's my tens place. 5 plus 0 is 5, which is my ones place. I also saw some friends draw out their tic-tac-toe board. They showed that 10 less, they even did 10 less, which was 65. But then they showed that 10 more was 85. Who could raise their hand and tell me what is 12 minus 10? What is 12 minus 10? Bristol, do you know 12 minus 10?
I can't hear you.
Bristol, do you know what is 12 minus 10?
Did you say minus 10?
Yeah, this one right here, 12 minus 10.
2.
Right, good job. It is 2. So I could have did 1 minus 1, which is 0. And 2 minus 0, which is 2. But we don't write the number 2 as 0, 2, right? So the answer is just 2. You also could have drawn a tic-tac-toe board, right? 10 minus 12, the ones place stays the same. The tens place changes. Well, 1 minus 1 or 10 minus 10 is 0. So the answer is 2. 10 more would have been 22. Okay? So that is the end of our math lesson today.